The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southeast Douglas County in eastern Nebraska, west central Pottawatomie County in western Iowa, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a large and extremely dangerous storm moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated storm. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover now. If in mobile home or in vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take a battery-powered radio and tune to the NOAA weather station for further notice. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Omaha. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeastern Nebraska and Lincoln.